today we're gonna release some finches into my new Budgie Aviary. So I'll take this net, open this lock up and go inside. Stuck to there. Wait a minute. Okay, we have those finches here. Alright, let's start catching them with my net. They're just screaming and know what I'm gonna do. Stuck. Finally got it. Oh my god. Crazy. Alright, we finally caught a finch right here. Now let's release her into my Budgie Aviary. Oh my god, struggler. A beautiful white color. This beak right here. Let's release her. Oh my god. Second finch coming up. Release her. I don't know if this finch is a male or a female. Beautiful finch. Ash gray black color with orange beak and legs. Release them. Bye bye, yes. Oh, yes. The third and the naughtiest finch. It took me several minutes, like 5 minutes. And there's my kitten Ginger climbing there, catching birds and stuff. That's really. So his name is Mini, just probably like the iPad Mini. Yeah, probably like the iPad Mini. He has beautiful colors and like a zebra collection of animals. Bye bye, iPad Mini.